The Taj Mahal is a white marble mausoleum located in Agra, India. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his third wife, Mumtaz Mahal, who died during childbirth in 1631. The construction of the Taj Mahal took 22 years and involved the work of thousands of artisans, architects, and laborers from India, Persia, and the Ottoman Empire. The Taj Mahal is widely considered one of the greatest examples of Mughal architecture, a style that combined elements of Indian, Persian, and Islamic architectural traditions. The mausoleum is set in a large formal garden, surrounded by 4 minarets, and is approached by a reflecting pool and a grand gateway. The interior of the Taj Mahal is equally stunning, with intricate inlaid marble, carved stone screens, and delicate paintings and calligraphy. The central tomb chamber contains the cenotaphs of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal, while their actual graves are located in a lower chamber. Over the centuries, the Taj Mahal has undergone various renovations and restorations, and it has faced numerous challenges, including environmental degradation and air pollution. Despite these challenges, the Taj Mahal remains one of the most visited tourist attractions in India, attracting millions of visitors each year who come to admire its beauty and architectural excellence. In 1983, the Taj Mahal was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it is widely regarded as one of the greatest masterpieces of human artistic and architectural achievement. The Taj Mahal, located in Agra, India, is a stunning piece of architecture and a true testament to the power of love. Commissioned by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, this white marble mausoleum took 22 years to construct and involved the work of thousands of skilled artisans, architects, and laborers. The Taj Mahal is a perfect example of Mughal architecture, a style that combines elements of Indian, Persian, and Islamic architectural traditions. The monument is set in a large formal garden and is approached by a reflecting pool and grand gateway, which leads to the stunning interior of the mausoleum. The interior of the Taj Mahal is adorned with intricate inlaid marble, carved stone screens, and delicate paintings and calligraphy, making it one of the most beautiful buildings in the world. The central tomb chamber contains the cenotaphs of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal, while their actual graves are located in a lower chamber. The Taj Mahal is a must-see for anyone visiting India, attracting millions of visitors each year who come to admire its beauty and architectural excellence. It has been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is widely regarded as one of the greatest masterpieces of human artistic and architectural achievement. Don't miss the chance to witness the stunning beauty of the Taj Mahal for yourself. Plan your visit today and experience the power of love. If you like the video, please like, comment and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so that you can find such good and unique videos regularly.